And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in the previous video, we talked about things having null, but I didn't really explain what null was. So null is basically an empty value. If something doesn't exist, it is null. So if you don't insert a country, it's going to give the country the value of null because it doesn't exist. Let's say you have a bunch of students in your school. And not everyone will have a phone per se. Some may not have a phone, some may not have an email. You don't know how their parents were, you can't really determine. So then you might want to, if you store their data, then if you have their number, you might just have null there instead of their number if they don't have a number. That's kind of what null is for. Null is to specify a zero value, or in just empty space. So how can you find things where null is being found? Have we talked about the where statement? Yes, we have. How perfect for us. So let's say you want to find everyone where there is a null value. So we can say, we can maybe just do that. Select star from customers, where, and we can maybe do something like address is null, and this will return everyone where the address is null. There's only two places though. But what if you wanted everyone where the address is not null? Then you can say not, and this will allow you to find all the places where there is not null, which in this case is all the rows except for the ones we added. So yeah, that's kind of the basics of it, if you want me to be honest. There's really not a lot to do, although you can narrow it down if you want to. So you can be like customers, or not star, you can be like customer name and contact name and city. We haven't done this in a while, so I just want to show you as well. And then this will just show you three things, and you can always go where it is null. And then it will also show you the basic information of what you want. I hope you all enjoyed, because that's kind of all. The biggest thing you have to kind of take note of here is that null is just an empty value. It's just null. It's nothing. Zero. It is an empty space. So let's say you're missing out data on some people, so you search up where are the people with the address of null. Then you can maybe like go just the customer name. And now you can use this data to contact the people and say, hey, we don't have your address, or we don't have this, or we don't have that. And it can be very useful in the long run. But anyways, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and see you all in the next video.